Okay, class, now look right here. This is the most important part of the lesson today. Does everyone understand the assignment? A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for drum. D, drum. E is for elephant. E. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for giraffe. G, giraffe. H is for hat. H, hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream.